this is gonna be the fastest sauerkraut tutorial I can make. So first things first, I'm gonna weigh it. It weighs around 3 kilograms, so we're gonna add 3 tablespoons of salt in just a second. 1 tablespoon of salt per kilogram. Take a knife and then try and cut it through the middle. Let's just assume that I did cut it in the middle. I'm gonna cut out this part and this part, and then I'm gonna peel off 2 layers. And we're gonna keep them for later, so don't throw them away. So you can already go ahead, peel off this. In this case, 1 layer is enough. Same for the other side. So, got the other piece. And now, gonna peel off this layer too. Okay. So, here we go. Cut away some pieces I don't like. And now we're gonna head over to the cutting machine. You can cut it by hand. I just find with the cutting machine, it tends to be a lot faster. Should have brought a bigger plate, honestly. How thick? It doesn't really matter. You can go from, like, let's say 0.5 to 1 centimeter, and then just cut it up. Cut up the whole thing, and then add it to a bowl. So after cutting it up, you want to add it to a big bowl, so you have enough space to actually go in here and mix it up. This is 1.5 kilograms, I believe, 1.7. So I'm gonna add a little bit less than 2 tablespoons of salt. Now comes the most annoying part. You gotta get in there, fold it, smash it, just mix it up really good. But we can do this for 5 minutes and then wait half an hour to let the salt do its work as well. And then we can go ahead and do it again. So we can do that process like 2 to 4 times, I'd say, depending on how much time you have. Make sure to wash your hands before, and then you can start working this. So this is what it looks like now. I'm gonna throw over a towel, and then we're gonna keep it like this for 30 minutes, and then I'll go ahead and do it again. Okay, so I'm finished with the second time. Now, as you can see, there's this liquid coming out. That's super important because we'll need that to cover everything. And yeah, as you can see, it also has gotten way more compacted, and that is perfect. Now for the final time, I'm gonna go through this, and then we're gonna fill it into this glass jar. For this step, it's important to compact it as well as you can. I'm gonna use this to push it down even further, because we are gonna wanna push it, compact it so much that there's no air bubbles, because that's what could ruin this whole process. And then after adding the liquid, we can add one of these leaves that we got from the outside, and we can put them in like this. I'll show you in a second. Then we'll put in the piece that we kept from the beginning, and then we're gonna add the top. So this is how it's supposed to look. Now we're gonna add this piece. Fold it once, put it here, get really tight under here. And if the liquid is kind of like spilling over, that's fine. Clean it up later. Just make sure that everything in here is covered by the liquid, because if it's not, that's a possibility for it to go wrong. So we don't want that. Also, the first couple of days it's gonna bubble a bit and flow over, so that's why we're gonna keep something underneath there. How to add the bottom piece that we've saved in the beginning. You can use this to press down even more, and then we will add the top cover. And after that, we can also add like a rock or something as a weight to push it down, but I wouldn't clamp it down because, as I said before, it's gonna bubble and some liquid's gonna come out. That's the process. Gonna put it on a plate and then bring it downstairs in the basement because it needs to be dark, and then we'll leave it there for 7 to 28 days depending on how much time you have. And there's like different stages. It's gonna taste different. It's gonna have different microcultures. Add it to something like this, and we're pretty much done. Look at this every day, maybe once, and then you can also clean off everything that's coming out, even though you don't have to do that because it'll work still. But if you do that, you can tell if there's anything wrong. But if you cover everything in liquid, nothing should go wrong. Okay, and this is where I'm gonna put it, just in my basement somewhere. If this video was helpful, make sure to comment, like, and subscribe if you don't want to miss out on other videos. I'm just gonna add something like this on top as a weight, and that's perfect. I'm also gonna post the update, the finished version, but that's gonna take like a week. So I think I'm just gonna post a YouTube short, but I will link it here. So if you wanna watch that, just keep a lookout for the YouTube short.